Sisters, and if you're new to our channel, I'm Lainey.
I'm Mia.
And there's our baby sister Emma. And today we're doing day 2 of 12 days of discovery.
Woo!
So we're going to open this.
So excited. Okay.
Uh-oh, I ripped it.
Yeah.
That's okay.
Let's take it out.
Whoa! That's it.
We
That's
got
all.
different colors of some.
Okay, so we have our bowl of water here, and we're just gonna go in. Wait, cut these.
I'm gonna start off with some pink.
I like the blue.
I like the pink.
I like
all
Emma
of
likes
them.
the orange.
My pink.
I'm gonna add the blue over here.
I'm gonna add the pink over here.
Oh. Oh no. It's mixing.
Okay, now it's time to add some orange. You can add.
Oh! Good job. Amazing work.
Look, it looks sand in the bottom, and then like some of it's like floating.
So, like when you put it in the water, it stays together. It sticks to itself. When you take it out, it comes out dry.
Oh my god, I like all
And you
these
can
different
still-
colors. So I really like this, and it's all together once it's on the very bottom. I didn't get anything. Then it comes all dry once it comes out. Emma.
Emma! Something really cool about this sand is, it says here, this sand has a hydrophobic, meaning waterproof, coating, which was originally developed to trap ocean oil spills. When in water, the sand clings to itself so you can sculpt it. When the sand is removed from water, it is completely dry.
I think I really like
So we're going to dump
this into a different bowl.
in the sieve. This is our sand, and you can keep it in the water or you can take it out. And once you're done, you can store it in a Ziploc bag or in a container, and then you can just take it out and play with it. And this is so much fun to make, guys. And before we say goodbye, make sure you hit that thumbs up and subscribe. And we hope to see you again in our next video. Bye!
Bye.